Hi, welcome. Let's build ourselves an ArcoLinux ISO. In particular, an ArcoLinux B1. Well, you can build ArcoLinux ISO, the D1 and the B1. So we have lots of desktops, and this time we're going to build an Openbox one. So Openbox has a very small procedure. Well, all of these guys have a small procedure. It has a particular GitHub. This is the tool to actually say, go get me the elements that I need to build it. So Ctrl+Shift+V is going to do the copy pasting in our terminal. Then we get a folder, and inside the folder are two other folders, and you need to watch out what's in those two folders. All the rest is not important. Have a look at the packages. What's in here? Lots of packages, building blocks that you need, lots of elements, and you see it's a long list. It has, in the meantime, 700 lines. And you take a look at all the elements that we provide. There is lots of ArcoLinux stuff in here, but also lots of things that maybe you do not like and do like, right? So maybe you'd like to have several of these tools or utilities or icons. How about icons this time, right? So you want to have all the icons back that we used to have. Okay, fine, all the icons are in, and there you go. Save, done. Build your own ISO the way you see fit. We can never build an ISO to fit everybody's need. That's the point, or ArcoLinuxB. Be your own boss, build your own ISO. Then you have a choice. Either you say, is this the first build of today? Or fine, you run number 30. If it's not, you can use number 40. Because the idea of number 30 is starting with a clean slate. And starting with a clean slate in Pacman means that you're going to clean out the var cache Pacman packages. You're going to delete everything, that's number 30, and re-download it or get the very last version of it, of the building blocks, right, of the Lego blocks. So I'm going to use number 40, meaning everything is going to stay in here, but I'll need to get more because I just built Mate. This is Openbox, meaning I have everything I need, almost, but of course not the Openbox stuff. So he'll say in a bit, I'm gonna download some more. And here is already downloading elements that we have chosen. Here you see the icons somewhere, Faba, so Faba, here it is. So that's your choice. You said, I want that on the ISO. But Openbox is here, OpenConf into stuff that we need for Openbox is now also downloaded. So more packages, 1.7 gig, 1147 items. So basically, you can make a huge ISO if you include a lot of packages, as simple as that. I do believe we have made a tutorial, maybe it's a good thing to know, but there is so much information on here. If you want to build your own ISO on the basis of ArcoLinuxB, you can do so. Creation of ArcoLinuxB extended, that's 7 elements on an ISO, right? 6 tiling window managers and Openbox. It's all possible, but maybe you'd like XFCE, BSPWM, or Awesome together with Plasma. I don't know. You can make so many variations of this theme, and it's all here. The knowledge is here. Scroll through it and see what we've done. All the videos are here, so lots and lots of knowledge how to make your own personal ArcoLinuxB. Call it any way you want it. It's gonna be your ISO. A combination of all these 15 desktops, right? You can make a lot of combinations with 15 desktops. That's one. There are other tutorials. Was thinking actually of something else. Here it is. The biggest ISO. Remember I said you can make a biggest ISO. We've created an ISO, the biggest gaming ISO ever. I think it was 4 or 5 gigs, 5.3 gigabytes, right? Did not include, of course, any Steam games. That's not possible. But it was just filled with all kinds of games, and that's simple. Just add the Lego blocks, build it, burn it, done. In the meantime, he's building the ISO, and I'm gonna wait for it. Pausing. All right, we have a new ISO. Here it is. It's 1.7 gigabytes. Openbox is not a big footprint in the sense of a large desktop or anything, but it needs to have pieces from XFCE and such to have a, well, full experience of a desktop. Where is it? Eric, ArcoLinuxB out is, I'm looking over it, here it is, ArcoLinuxB out, scroll all the way down, this is the last result. So the packages list, so what's on the ISO and what's all the checkups for the ISO to share with somebody else. And there you go, we have our ISO, burn it, or test it out in VirtualBox. Have fun.